Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. In today's video, we're diving into the SYOAUTO Black Touch-Up Paint for Cars, which has earned its spot as the best scratch repair pen for automotive care. If you've been struggling with unsightly scratches or chips on your black car, this product might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's start with what makes the SYOAUTO Black Touch-Up Paint stand out. This 2-in-1 car touch-up paint pen is designed for quick and easy scratch repair, and it's especially suited for black cars. The sleek design offers two application methods: a pen for smaller chips and a brush for larger areas. The pen makes it effortless to restore your car's flawless look. The formula is quick drying and takes only about 10 minutes to set, making the repair process fast and efficient. One of the key features of this product is its ability to prevent future rusting. Once applied, it seals the scratch, offering a protective layer that keeps moisture out, which helps in preserving the paint job over time. The paint itself is designed with a glossy finish, providing a sleek and polished look that blends seamlessly with your car's original black paint. Keep in mind that this touch-up paint is intended for black cars that have not experienced significant fading, so it's perfect for restoring a new, sharp look to your vehicle. The SYOAUTO touch-up paint is incredibly user-friendly. To get started, you simply need to clean and degrease the surface around the scratch. After shaking the pen for about 2 minutes, apply the paint carefully, making sure to let it dry between layers. It's advisable to practice first on a piece of cardboard or scrap metal to get a feel for the application. Patience is key. Apply a few thin layers to achieve the best results. This product is a must-have for any car owner looking for a simple and cost-effective way to address scratches and chips. Whether you're dealing with rock chips on your bumper or minor road rash on your rims, the SYOAUTO Black Touch-Up Paint offers a great solution to restore your car's appearance without the hassle or high cost of professional repair. In conclusion, if you're tired of staring at those frustrating scratches on your black car, the SYOAUTO Black Touch-Up Paint is the best scratch repair pen to help you get your car back to its original beauty. It's efficient, easy to use, and offers long-lasting protection. So if you haven't tried it yet, be sure to check it out and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product insights like this one. We'll see you in the next video.